Hello friends, in the previous video we discussed like the general settings. Now in this video we will check what are the updates. So whenever you can see this red circle and with updates and how many updates available, so you will have to update them. Updates will be for the WordPress by itself, for themes, for plugins, or for the translation. Like if you updates, so if you click on updates, like right now we have two updates. So this update, like this plugin we should update, so click on this and update plugin. So the plugin will update. So the plugin has been updated, you can see successfully. So now there will be like see translation also for Akismet automatically updating. So you can see translation also updating for all of them. There was translation actually also, one update was available, so both updates for translation and plugin has been updated. Now if you click on return to WordPress updates page, there is no update, there will be no update. WordPress is very user friendly, so if you will find like update for the WordPress, just with one click a button will appear here like update now. You can update with one click any WordPress, even plugins and themes also. So this is the update section which we have discussed. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share the video and share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.